Hey everyone, Jacob here. Today we're going to take a quick look at this power feed app I built for one of our customers using the Centroid API. This customer has an Acorn controller set up to move a saw that's mounted on the X-axis. The customer was using MDI to enter the distance using G-code, but wanted to enter the distance using the touchscreen display that they have connected to their CNC PC. The operator uses this interface to enter in the absolute position that they want the X-axis to travel to, and then they press the cycle start button to tell the control to move to that location. So right now we're at X 7.375, but if we wanted to move to X10, we just enter in 10 and press cycle start. You can see the G-code displayed here, and then we just move to the X10 location. If we wanted to move back to X0, we just enter in 0 and press cycle start, and the control tells the motors to move to X0. And there we go. So this application was created using Visual Studio Community Edition and the Centroid API, and was programmed in VisualBasic.net. Example projects in both Visual Basic and C# will be available soon. You can check the description for a link to a forum post with more information. Thanks for watching.